Welcome to the video. This video is about a random code generator. Random code generator is a program that is going to give you text in a random sequence from a given source file. This is the program for the random code generator. Here we are taking a text file which contains all the codes necessary for the random code generator, and we are using the readlines function to get a list of all the codes in the text file. Then we use an empty list and iterate through the list which we get using readlines to eliminate any unnecessary character like the breakline character, and we append it to the empty list. Now we will be using the random module, and we have a function called QG, which is a user defined function. In this function we are generating a random code from the list that we had appended, and then the QG function also splits the code into quote and author so that it is presented in a better way. Then we have the GUI part, that is the graphical user interface. Here we are going to use the Tkinter module to create a window, that is root is equal to tk. We're going to specify the geometry, and also we have given the title random code generator, and we will specify other parameters like for example the background. Then we have two user defined functions. One is colors, which will generate a random color from the given list of colors, and then fonts, which will generate a random font from the given list of fonts. Then we have our label widget with the initial text, that is the press the button below, and also the background color and font style and all that are specified. And there is an extra element that we are adding, that is wrap length, to keep the text inside the label and not let it go outside the window. So we have another widget, that is the button. So our Tkinter window will have two widgets. One is the label and the other one is the button. Here we have specified the button parameters like the text that is going to be displayed, generate code, and the command which is directed to a function qgenerate. And we have also specified the background color, font style, and the foreground, that is the font color, and also the active backgrounds. Now we have the qgenerate, which is a user defined function that is used to change the label configuration. Here we can change the text in the label and also the background and the font style using the previous user defined functions that we had discussed. This will help our label to display all the different codes in a random fashion along with different background colors and font styles. We have used the grid packing for all our widgets, and we use the main loop function to keep the window open till it's closed. Here we have the text file, which is going to be the source file for all the codes in our random code generator. We are indexing it from 0, and also the codes are separated from the author so that it's easier to implement in our random code generator. And we have around 51 codes, that is 0 to 50 codes in our text file. Here we are running our code on the command prompt. Here is the initial window, and then we have the different codes which are being displayed with different background colors and different font styles. So when you press the generate code button, as you can see, you're getting a different code, and also the codes are being printed in the command prompt window, which can help you see which code has been printed. So we also have the active background for each button, which is purple. This is my favorite quote from it. Don't settle for what life gives you. Make life better and build something. Ak&co. So it has printed the total number of quotes, that is 51, and each quote along with the index and the author is displayed in the command prompt window. Thank you for watching.